If you're playing Perfect Hotel and wondering how to get more money fast, I got you covered. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best tips and tricks to earn more cash in Perfect Hotel so you can upgrade your rooms, unlock new floors, and grow your hotel empire without getting stuck. First off, complete quests and missions as soon as they pop up. These usually give a nice chunk of coins and sometimes even diamonds, which are super valuable. Next, upgrade your rooms strategically. Higher-level rooms bring in more money, but make sure your guests actually like them. Keep an eye on their happiness and don't overbuild too fast. Don't forget to collect rent regularly. Yeah, sounds obvious, but it's easy to miss if you're distracted. The longer you wait, the more money piles up. So check your buildings often. Also, tap on happy guests when they walk out. Sometimes they leave behind bonus tips or special rewards. It might not seem like much at first, but it adds up. Here's a pro tip. Use boosters and power-ups wisely. Save them for when you can really maximize their effect, like during big upgrades or expensive room renovations. And last but not least, participate in events and daily challenges. These limited-time opportunities often reward extra coins, keys, and other rare items that help you progress faster. So should you feel stuck with low money? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep expanding your dream hotel. Let me know in the comments what level you're on and how much money you're making per round. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Perfect Hotel tips and tricks. And